Hi there, and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2019. I've got some really awesome information for you today, and I'm going to go ahead and get started just so that you know all of our January specials and promotions and ways to save when it comes to doTERRA and your nutrition products and your essential oils. So I'm so glad that it is a new year and it's a fresh start. It is the time when a lot of people like to restart or reboot or even just continue with that healthy nutrition, fitness, and wellness. And at doTERRA, we're here to help. So I'd love to kind of introduce some of the things we've got going on this month, and I welcome you to go ahead and read the newsletter that's attached to this video. And we want to just give you all the information that you need so that you have it and that you are able to make the most of what you have with your membership and with your oils, and not let any of it go to waste, and get the most health and fitness out of it all. So for those people who haven't ordered for a while with doTERRA, since like before August of 2018, if it's been that long, you actually qualify for some really amazing welcome back, we missed you gifts when you order in January. So you probably are running a little bit low on your Breathe and your On Guard, and you can get those for free when you order in January at least 100 PV. And I can help you and make some recommendations if you're not quite sure how to spend that 100, but when you do, you're going to get a Breathe when you place it as a standard order, or a Breathe and On Guard when you place it as a new loyalty rewards, which is the monthly savings card that we use with doTERRA. So I would be happy to help you. Talk to me or the person who shared oils with you, and make sure that you are getting all of that savings that January is offering for people who haven't ordered in a few months. If it's been over a year, you might have to call customer service just to reactivate your account, but I'd be happy to help you with that as well. So go ahead and get a hold of me. Make sure you send me a text or an email or a Facebook message if you need any help at all. I'd be happy to help you with that reactivation and reordering so that you make sure and get your free Breathe and or On Guard. A surprise that we have for January is that the free frankincense has been extended through January 15th. So if you got free frankincense in December by placing a 200 PV order, maybe you got more than one, which is excellent. Maybe you didn't get one at all and you kind of missed out on that special. Don't worry, because you still have a chance to do that again or for the first time in January if you place that 200 PV order before January 15th. If you need any help with that, go ahead and reach out to me or the person who shared oils with you. But you might be wondering, how would I even spend $200 on essential oils or supplements? And I'm glad you asked. So if you would like to join us in either of our programs that we're offering this month that I'm going to talk about and explain a little bit more in detail in a second. The first one is the Cleanse and Restore program, and that's on a Facebook group that's separate from the ones we already do, and we would need to add you because it's a team-wide cleanse that our whole team is doing together for accountability and fun. There's going to be prizes, there's going to be results, there's going to be all kinds of testimonials, and so you really want to be a part of that if a cleanse is something you really want to do in January. And you'll need the Cleanse and Restore kit, which is, I believe, $285 plus an extra TerraZyme, I believe, is what you'll need. And so you can order that. You'll get a free bottle of frankincense, which is perfect. Or if you would like to do the other program we're offering this month, you can get a few products for mastering your metabolism. So you're going to need yarrow palm, which is 95, turmeric, which is 28, pink pepper, which is 22, black pepper is 22, plus you'll probably want some Mito 2 Max, and you might want to make sure you're stocked up on your Slim and Sassy. So Mito 2 Max, I believe, is 40, so that puts you just over 200 PV, so you get your free bottle of frankincense. So either way, if you choose either the Cleanse and Restore program or the Master Your Metabolism, which we are actually doing right in our LB essential oil usage group on Facebook. We're going to be posting all of those, and that starts January 21st. So you have plenty of time to order all of those products and get your free frankincense. Before we begin, either one, whichever sounds best for you. If you really want to do a cleanse, do the Cleanse and Restore group and get your Cleanse and Restore kit. And then if you want to do, if you feel like mastering your metabolism is right where you're at, then go ahead and get those products like the Yarrow Palm and the Mito 2 Max and the peppers, the pink and black peppers and the turmeric. Those are going to be fantastic for mastering your metabolism. I personally would probably do some of both because I've got some extra holiday fluff to get rid of this January. So I'm looking forward to that. I've already started eating a little bit better this year. I've already started with my yoga program that I'm going to be doing every day to get my body moving and to get exercising. So I'm right there along with you, and so I hope that you're beginning and making the most of this time where a lot of people are just ready for it, and I'm sure you're probably ready for it too. So the product of the month I wanted to tell you about in January is grapefruit. So you're going to get a free bottle of grapefruit whenever you order at least 125 PV on or before the 15th of January. And that has to be on your LRP, just to let you know. But grapefruit is great for your metabolism when you drink it in your water every day. It is happy and produces a happy and cheerful mood when you diffuse it in your diffuser every day. And so I love it as a morning addition to my diffuser. And then it's even really great at fighting cellulite. So you'll want to just apply that topically with a carrier oil, and make sure you don't go out in the sun afterwards, because obviously grapefruit is going to be that photosensitive oil. But go ahead and grab a free bottle of frankincense when you place a 125 PV order before January 15th. And then finally, like I said, Slim and Sassy this month is $22 wholesale. It's 10% off. So in all of January, when you order Slim and Sassy, the oil, that's going to be 10% off for you. And I love adding Slim and Sassy to my water every day. It helps with energy. It helps with metabolism. It helps just as a regular energy boost when I'm doing my exercise and things like that. So go ahead and grab that. Make sure you get your hand on that. And then when we do our Master Your Metabolism program through our LB essential oil usage group on Facebook, if you're not already a member, just let me know and we'll get you connected with that and make sure you can get in on that education. But you will need the Lifelong Vitality in addition to the Yarrow Palm, Slim and Sassy oil, Slim and Sassy capsules, and Slim and Sassy gum. All of that together is $242. So if you need to go ahead and order any of those products that you don't have already, make sure you do that before we get started on January 21st. Again, I said the team-wide cleanse, that's starting on January 13th and it runs through February 12th. It's a 30-day team-wide cleanse. It's going to be lots of fun in that group. The price for that kit and the TerraZyme extra that you need is going to be $285. So just figure out what the best budget option would be based on what you already have and based on what you want to do. Is it metabolism and you really want to focus on that? Or is it a cleanse and you really want to focus on detoxing your body and getting rid of all of the bad things that you might have eaten or been exposed to or things like that over the holiday season? So finally, I just wanted to say that right now in January is actually a really great time, not only to get restarted on your health and wellness, but to restart or get started for the first time with your doTERRA business. We've got a brand new launch program that's Go at Your Own Pace, and some really, really encouraging and fun people on our team who will cheer you on as you reach for your goals both in your health and in your finances. So I just wanted to wish you a very happy 2019 and lots of blessings. I hope everything goes well for you, not only in January, but for the whole entire year. I'll sign off for now, and we'll talk to you soon.